was okay. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So again we are present here with trigonometry. In our last two lecture we discussed about the trigonometric identities. Now we're gonna discuss about today about some specific of their values. Okay, let's see. Suppose we're gonna consider a two-dimensional space. That means x-axis and y-axis like this. Like this. Suppose this is x-axis, this is x dot, y, y prime, and O, the origin. Now, if I consider my thumb as x-axis and the y-axis as my little finger, and I'm gonna draw a figure here. Okay, let's see what's the figure gonna be. The figure gonna be like this. I'm gonna draw my hand. So look here, if I gonna draw my hand, it's something like this. Okay. I'm gonna getting something like this, where I'm gonna consider this one. Look, is gonna be like this. Is my little finger. Okay. Okay, if I'm gonna draw this. Okay. Okay. So this is my little finger. Okay. Now I'm gonna set down some numbers here. This is gonna be the value of n. Okay. So if I gonna write down the value of n with the blue one, so n. So look here. Suppose this is parallel to x, so this is gonna be, this is our first one, 1, this is my second finger, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I look here carefully, look, my thumb, as this is through x-axis, I'm gonna consider this one as 0 degree, this one as 30 degree, my indicator, my middle finger is gonna be 45 degree, the third one. Okay, oh sorry, this is gonna be the value of n, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, my mistake. So this is gonna be 60 degree, and look, I consider my little finger as y-axis, so this must be, I know, or we know that x-axis and y-axis, they are perpendicular to each other, so this must be 90 degree. Now to find their values, find the value, specific values of trigonometric identities, have a look here. Okay, I'm just gonna wrap this part because today we're not discussing about the co-ratios, so I'm just dealing with those things. Okay, so have a look, what is the procedure? The very easiest thing to keep in mind, sine theta is equals to, sine theta is equals to, look very carefully, sine theta is equals to root over n divided by 2. Now look here, if I'm going to draw a chart here, okay, I'm going to draw a chart here where there would be the trigonometric ratios and then the corresponding angle. Suppose this is gonna be our angle, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this. So here we can write the angles that are mentioned on the figure. 0 degree. Here we have 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. And if we're gonna write down the ratios here, is gonna be sine theta is gonna be cos theta, and next one gonna be tan theta. Okay, just have a look now. Okay, so all you need to do, we just find out the value of sine. So look, sine theta, we just replace theta with the angle now. So look here, we gotta replace theta here. If theta is 0 degree, for 0 degree, what is the value of n? The value of n is 0. The value of n is 0. So look, root over 0, it means 0 divided by 2. That means 0. So value of sine 0, this must be 0. Go for the next one. When it becomes something else. Okay. What is it? It is 30 degree, right? 30 degree. 30 degree is the first one. So root over 1 divided by 2. Root over 1 means 1 divided by 2. So 1 over 2. Value of sine 30 is equals to half. Go for the next one. What are you going to have? Next one is 45 degree, right? So for 45 degree equal to 45 is the third, and for this one the value of n is 2. So we can write it root 2 divided by root 2 square, because square and root omit each other, so we're going to have 2 as it is. So we can write it root 2 divided by root 2. Okay, I just show it here. Root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2. Root 2, root 2 omit each other, here 1. So we're going to have 1 over root 2. So the value of this one is 1 by root 2. Now go for the next one. For the next one, it's going to be 60 degree. For 60 degree, the value is 3. Okay, we just put down 3. We cannot do anything, so its value is root 3 divided by 2. And for 90, this value gonna be 90 degree. So for 90, the value of n is 4. So we're gonna have 4, root over 4 is equals to 2. 2 divided by 2 is gonna be 1. So if you just know how to find the value of sine for all the trigonometric known angles, you can find the remainings. Look here, this is sine, right? Just write down cos from right to left. So this is gonna be 1, and then root over 3 by 2, then 1 over root 2, and then half, and then 0. That means when sine is minimum, cosine is maximum. When sine is maximum, cosine is minimum. Okay, now we're gonna rub it. Now we know another thing, right? We learned it earlier, and that is it, is tan theta is equal to, tan theta is equals to what? Sine theta divided by cos theta. Sine theta is equals to tan theta by cos theta. Okay, now for sine 0 degree, tan 0. Okay, tan 0 means what? Tan 0 means sine 0 divided by cosine 0. So just put down their value. Sine 0 is 0, cosine 0 is 1. That means 0 divided by something, this must be 0. Okay, go for the next one. So next one is 30 degree. So sine 30 divided by cos 30. Okay, sine 30, value of sine 30 is 1 over 2 divided by, value of this one is root 3 by 2. So division, we're gonna reciprocal it, 2 by root 3. So 2 to omit, 1 over root 3. So it's gonna be 1 over root 3. Okay, go for the next one. Go for 45 degree. So for this one, 45 degree. Look, its value is 1 over root 2. Divide 1 over root 2 is equals to 1 over root 2 into root 2 divided by 1. Cancel. So ultimately 1 is gonna be 1. Okay, go for the next portion. 60 is gonna be sine 60 divided by cos 60. So look here, sine 60 means root 3 by 2 divided by 1 over 2. So root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, 2 to cancel, is root 3. Root 3. Okay, I'm going to write up. Now the remaining one, 90. Sine 90 divided by cos 90 is equal to 1 divided by 0. Something divided by 0. We can, this cannot be defined. This is undefined. This is undefined. Now look, for the rest one, if you're going to write, suppose we're going to write cosec theta. Cosec theta, look, 0, inverse of 0. That means if we're going to do this, there is a 1 below it. So 1 divided by 0, something divided by 0, undefined. Undefined. This one going to be 2 divided by 1. So 2, root 2 divided by 1. That means root 2, reciprocal, just reciprocal. 2 divided by root over 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. Okay, go for the next one. Similarly, go for the next one. Okay, we just go for sec theta. Sec theta is opposite of cos theta, so 1 in reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. This is root 2 by 1, that means root 2 is 2. Again, look, 0. Reciprocal of 0 is undefined. Undefined. Now, the last one, cotangent. Cot theta. So, look, 10 is the inverse of 10. So, 0. Reciprocal of 0 is undefined. Undefined. This is 1 over root 3. That means root 3, 1, 1, root 3. There is a 1 below it. So, it's going to be 1 over root 3. Look, since the reciprocal of 0 is undefined, so undefined reciprocal will be 0 as well. Or we can do this in another way. Suppose we're going to consider cos 90 degree. Cos 90 means, cot 90 degree. So it's going to be cos 90 divided by sine 90. So it's going to be 0 divided by 1. That means 0. So it's 0. There it is. That's all for today. I hope this will help you for solving your math. And wait for the next blog. Thank you very much.